Best Dual Sport Motorcycles 2025, Honda NX500. As 2025 unfolds, the Honda NX500 emerges as a standout in the dual sport motorcycle category, offering an impressive mix of power, advanced features, and rugged versatility. Designed for riders who crave both off-road thrills and on-road comfort, the NX500 is a top choice for adventure enthusiasts seeking a capable and stylish machine. The 2025 Honda NX500 is powered by a newly developed 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that strikes a balance between performance and efficiency. This engine delivers a robust output with plenty of torque, ensuring a thrilling ride across various terrains. Honda has optimized the NX500's engine for the 2025 model year to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, all while maintaining its dynamic performance characteristics. A defining feature of the NX500 is its advanced suspension system. The bike comes equipped with fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, providing excellent handling and comfort on both rough trails and smooth highways. The NX500's 21-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel, paired with high-quality dual-sport tires, enhance its off-road capability while ensuring a stable and controlled ride on paved roads. The 2025 model also includes a range of modern electronics designed to enhance the riding experience. These features include a sophisticated traction control system, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes that can be easily adjusted through the bike's intuitive TFT display. This display offers real-time information, navigation, and smartphone connectivity, keeping riders informed and connected during their journeys. In terms of design and comfort, the NX500 excels with an adjustable windscreen, a supportive seat, and high handlebars that promote an upright riding position. Its rugged design includes practical features such as crash bars and a skid plate, providing added protection for off-road adventures. With its combination of powerful performance, advanced technology, and practical design, the Honda NX500 stands out as a top choice in the 2025 dual sport motorcycle market. It offers a versatile and reliable option for riders looking to conquer a variety of terrains while enjoying a comfortable and engaging riding experience.